Hi everyone, Karen here. Look, I've had a student ask me the following question, so I thought I'd make a little video just to explain it. So the question is, how do you include the heading row on your table worksheet so that it permanently moves through the screen when you scroll up and down the table worksheet? And look, this is a super useful thing within Excel, particularly when you're using big tables. So what I've done is over here created a little table. Obviously it's not super long, but hopefully you'll get the idea. So what you want to do with this function is actually, it's called freeze panes. So what you need to do is click on the cell where you want it to freeze above the line and to the left hand side. So I want it to freeze at this point. And I'll show you what I mean as we go through. It's pretty quick and easy. So you go over up here to the ribbon bar and click on View. Once you've clicked View, you hit this Freeze Panes. Now, there are a number of options that you can do. You can either freeze the top row and the column, you can either do the top row or you can do the first column, or the column from, the first column or the first row. I like to do both the column and the row. I just find it much easier when I'm working. So let me show you how to do it. So we click on that, and now you'll see that we've got this kind of hard line or a bolded line. Now what that means is if I scroll over to the right, going this way, and I'm just going to go over until we get to the point where I go off the page, you can see over here that the details that I've set in column A and column B, they stay there irrespective of how far over I go. So for me, when I'm marking assessments and the like, I'll put your name here and I keep the core data that I need. So for question 1, for example, it might be out of 20. So I know when I scroll along to, maybe our 50th student or something like that, that I can still see what question 1 is out of, and that makes it really useful. The other thing that's handy with this, so not only if I scroll to the right or freeze that cell, but if I also scroll down. So if, for example, we had an assessment that was made up of multiple parts or subparts, if I scroll down, then it's going to still keep Bob, Sally, Sam, all the students' names there. So that makes it really useful for me. Okay, well, hopefully that makes sense. Just a quick recash. You go up to the ribbon bar, we're on our home page, up to the ribbon bar, press View, and then Freeze Panes is the one you want. Thanks, everyone.